Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this one is my personal favorite, the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37, just because of this color. So I was waiting to get my hands on this color for a very long time. Finally, Cars and Dolls, came through, and without hesitating, I put, I ordered this. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Let me just, okay. So okay, here it is. So there's nothing going on with the box as usual. Mini GT stuff, the logos and TSM model holograms. Okay, let's just unbox and see the car itself. Oh my god, I can't wait to open this. Here it is. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh my god. Guys, you need to let me just put this inside for a minute. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you something really quick, guys. Okay, this is one of the beautiful models they made, hands down. Look at the detailing here. I know this Y-shaped things are supposed to be headlights. They just painted on it along with the carbon fiber detailing, but I can let it slide because it is really hard to do that in this particular scale. So it's fine. You can see the carbon fiber detailing real nice. Logo placement is really nice. The rims are really superb. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you guys, this specific color is actually a Hong Kong exclusive. It is not not like a common color for other countries which they did, like the blue, and there was one more color, that olive green. So the tail lights are actually embossed and painted on top of it. Still looks really nice. So this matte violet is really beautiful. It is not too glittery because it is a matte color. There's some scratches here, not sure why, but rest of the things are really beautiful. Okay, let me just show you this side. So here is the fuel cap. Not sure why this model has some scratches on the windshield. Okay, the chassis is actually made of metal. The entire body is made of metal. As always, this rear view mirrors actually made of some kind of silicone, I guess. It has some good interior detail to it. I'm not sure if you guys can able to see it. The details are really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test as usual. We are not going to play with it, but just for the sake of doing the test. Okay, it does roll really well. I never expected this, but as you can see, the front wheel has a lot of wheel wobble, even though it rolls really nice. Anyway, we are not going to play with it. It's a beautiful piece. If you guys are wondering if you can pick this up, my suggestion would be go ahead and pick this particular color, specifically this particular color. It is really nice. So the rims are actually, it is made of some kind of metal, I guess. I'm not sure about Mini GT's rims based on what they are made. Okay, the tires are actually made of rubber, if you guys are wondering. Lot of great detailing. Looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.